Hi guys, it's Kelly from Trinity Stamps, and this product close-up from the amazing release from Trinity Stamps, Autumn Rainbow. It is a huge release and it is absolutely spectacular. I'm going to be showing you a product close-up on the Slimline series quilted die. This die is spectacular, and I believe, in my opinion, every crafter should have it in their craft room, as long as you make A2 Slimline cards. Now, this die creates stitching, and then there's little openings here, which coordinates with the Quilted Trio stencil set, excuse me. And you have the option of putting in stars, polka dots, and hearts with the stencil that lines up perfectly with this die. It's absolutely spectacular. Or if you don't want to use the stencils, you can put gems in there. You can leave it open. It's beautiful as is. You can put Nuvo drops. You can put pen marks, you know, whatever you like. This die set is so versatile. Now, this is a long die, so if you don't have the extended platform, that is okay. What you can do is you put it through your die machine, and then whatever part did not die cut, you just put that end through. Just turn it around, and that's what I did. I have the extended platform, but my little edge still didn't cut, and that's okay. I had it taped so my paper wouldn't shift, and I just turned it and re-put it in the other end of on the platform to die cut it. It's very simple. And look at that stitching detail. I'm going to do a close-up here in a minute, and it is just gorgeous. I mean, it's so versatile. You can die cut it and then, you know, blend. You can just leave it plain. You can die cut different color cardstock. It's a really versatile die, and I'm absolutely in love with it. Now, this die measures typical Slimline, which is 3.5 by 8.5, 8.5 long by 3.5 wide, and this lines up perfectly with a Slimline typical card. Now look at that gorgeous, gorgeous stitching. I mean, it's just, it cuts out perfectly, and just, it's just so pretty. I love it. I knew when I first saw it, I said, oh, I gotta have it. I just got to have it. So here's a card I used featuring that die. Now, I have their Trinity Stamps, sold separately, has a Quilted Trio stencil. Now, that coordinates with this Slimline die set, and it also has Trinity has an A2 quilted die set, and that coordinates with this stencil set as well. So I highly recommend getting this stencil set, which is hearts, diamonds, and polka dots, which goes with either size quilted die. So, or you can get the stencil on its own and just use it as is. It's adorable as it is. And I like that it's large, so it can fit Slimline cards perfectly. So please stop by Trinity Stamps Instagram TV, and Facebook group for more inspiration from the design team. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day.